Welcome today for the MOTOROLA Edge 30, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So let's just try to unlock the device. Okay, I'll just try to find it in a good position, and now I'll just show you just this unlock method works and how fast is it. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, that unlock method is just works so really fast. I just want to suggest just try one more just a way to unlock the device, because I set up this unlock method on my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll wear them and I'll try to unlock the device with the glasses. So let's just try. So as you can see, here is we have no here any problems to unlock the device with the glasses or without them. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method. For example, if you don't like the passcodes or pin codes, but don't forget the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes, pin codes, or pattern, so be careful with that. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.